Hello everyone, I hope we're all having a great day today. So in today's video I'm going to be going over Schwab's US Dividend Equity ETF, aka SCHD, and I'm going to tell you exactly how much money you need to put into SCHD to get $12,000 a year or $1,000 every month. But remember, it's a quarterly dividend, so you'll be getting paid $3,000 every 3 months. So 3,000 times 4 obviously is $12,000. So that's 12,000 a year, 1,000 a month. So a quick reminder: the fund's goal tracks the Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index. And let's get into the video. SCHD has a current dividend yield of 3.86%, annual dividend payout of $1 and about 6 cents per share. So every quarter you'll get 26 cents, almost 26 and a half cents. And this payout was before the stock split. That's why it's 75 cents. They did a 3-to-1 split, so it went down to 26 cents because of that 3-to-1 split. When we take 12,000 divided by the dividend percent yield of 3.86%, we take 12,000 divided by 0.0386, and that gives us $310,000, $310,880 and about 83 cents. So in terms of how many shares you need, well, SCHD is currently trading at $27.29. So when we take 310,880 divided by 27.29, you get 11,391.75 shares. So that's how many shares you would need. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of insight into how much you actually need to invest into SCHD to get $1,000 a month, or $3,000 every 4 months, or every 3 months, I mean. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, as it keeps me motivated to keep making content. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.